Yeah, hi, Pat and Mick. Okay, this is your new website that I've set up for you. You'll see it's mobile friendly, which means that if I reduce the size of it, watch this, see how everything shrinks to fit the size? That will work on a mobile and it'll also work on the tablet. Okay, so I'll just bring it back to normal size for a minute. Now, in order to edit one of the pages, we need to log into the admin, which means we type into the end here WP admin. When we return on that, enter on that, we'll come up with a login here. Then you put your password into that login. I'm just going to fill that in. And then we can log into your website. I don't want you adding extra pages, so we'll go back to the site and basically just pick the page you want to modify. Now we've got all these different menus here. If you hover on each one, it comes up with a different one. So if I go, for instance, the Queen Room, that'll bring up the page that's got the Queen Room, and then we can edit that by just saying edit page. Very simple. And that will open up your page in the editing mode. There it is there. Now what we can do there, we can make all sorts of changes from here. All right. For instance, if we want to change this picture, we can click on that picture. We can put a cross in to remove it. We can add media. And that will give us access to all the pictures that are currently loaded up on the website. And I've loaded quite a few up for you. There's always more that can be done, of course. And I'll say, oh, look, I don't like what I've got there. I want to pick another one. So I'll pick it from the disk. I'll say direct to files. I have to go to the URL of have to go to the file where all these things are recorded. And I go down there looking for a copy of the Queen Room. And I think that might be the Queen Room there. So I'll open it up until it comes up. And then I'll take that and I'll insert it into the page. Okay, now once you insert it into the page, you can click on it and you can resize it down to what you want, a bit smaller maybe. And then you can click on left there, line left, and that will wrap it around the text. So there's a picture of the Queen Room now and there. You can make any other text changes you want with like a heading. There's different formats you can give, styles they call it. Heading 3, like heading 1 is huge. We can go to heading 3, just click on the button, it will reconfigure it with the right heading for you. Now that's all fixed. It's got a few photos in there as well. We're happy with that. We update it. And then we go and have a look at it by viewing the page. And there it is. It's all nice. It's got all the wrapping around it. Everything looks fine. All right, so that's all you've got to do to update it. You can add any text and add any pictures you want, manipulate the pictures. You've got it all there. Everything's automated on the site, so you can't really make a mistake. When it comes to posts, which are things which drift off the web after time, I've got one here for the Grafton Bridge and one for summer fun in Grafton. Say I want to put a new page in. I have to go into the dashboard. Then I go a new post, add new post. And here's a title here. Check out our swimming pool. Okay, at the Rosary bed and breakfast in Grafton have a beautiful All right, I'm just going to pause the video while I write. Okay, so I've written a little story here about the swimming pool. Now I want to put a picture of the pool in there, so I just click on the cursor I want it to go, and I go Add Media. I see if I've already got something uploaded. Let's go down there, and there's a nice picture of the pool. Got a couple of pictures of the pool, I think. I think I've got another one that might be better. So let's have a look. Upload a file again. Select files and see what we've got for the swimming pool. There's one picture of the pool there we've already got. That one. There's a nice one looking out over the pool. So I'll bring that one in. And insert that one into the post. So again, we'll reduce the size of it. And we'll hit left, and then it's all around there. Okay, now, if you want to put, just a minute, I'll just take that out again. I'm going to put a headline on this, a great place in summer, and then I'll give that a heading 2 on it, and then I'll go to here, I'll put the picture in which we've downloaded somewhere there. There it is there. Insert that into the post, reduce the size of it so it fits nicely, and hit left, and then it's all in there. Okay, so let's go a bit further now. We'll go Grafton Olympic, I hope it's Olympic pool. And this one will give another headline on that one. So we're just putting an extra line, we're giving it a headline. And then I'm going to put a video down here. Now, to put a video, first of all, I've got to find the video. So let's go into Google. We'll type Grafton Olympic pool. Do a search. And we're going to go to videos. More videos. Right, so there'll be a video of Grafton's pool somewhere here. Okay, so it didn't come up under Olympic pool, but let's go Grafton pool. And let's try and search that one. Here's one here. Just try Grafton. I'm trying to find the right one. So city swimming pool. So you just keep typing in the searches until you get exactly what you're after. Grafton city swimming pool. We'll go to YouTube. I think we'll try YouTube. We'll go to YouTube, which has got videos on it. And then we'll go for Grafton swimming pool. Okay, here's one about Grafton pool. Let's have a look at that one. Only 3 and a bit minutes. Just go through it a bit. Okay, so this is a great little video that shows you all about Grafton pool, and I want to put that into my post. So how I do it is I go here onto share, and I go embed, and then this information here, I want to copy that, so I'll go Control C to copy it. I'll go back to my blog and I'll go to text. Now text gives you all the code. I'll go down to the bottom underneath the where I've got the heading. I'll paste in the text. I'll go back to the visual and you'll see now it's got a video in there. Very nice. and I publish the post now. So that's all you got to do to put a video in it. It's pretty easy. Now that it's published, we'll have a look at the post and see how it looks. There it is there. Now there's not enough space there between the picture and the pool. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to edit it again. I'm going to write a little bit more in there. We recently had the pool reconditioned so it looks pristine and is cleaned daily to make sure our guests get the facilities they deserve. All right, I'll just put that in, add that on. I'll update it. All right, and then we'll have another look at it. And now you can see it's got room there between that and the next one, all right? So that looks kind of neat. You can play the video from there. It loads up and starts, no problem. And that's all done. Now I've got that post published, so it says there, check out our swimming pool. That's the latest post there. And as you add more posts in there, that will fill this up and there'll be a certain number will come up the top. So people can check out the latest information from the Rosary. And that's a great way to keep in touch with people. When you put a new post up, you send an email out to your email list, you post it on your Facebook page and let everybody know that you've got something to say and they'll come and have a look at it. If you keep in touch with people and you give them things of interest, then that will improve your booking rates. Okay, so that's we've gone through loading pictures, editing a page, and creating a new post, and also logging into your site. Any questions, just give us a call. This video, you just follow bits of this video section by section and you'll find you'll be able to do what you need to do. Okay, great.